This thing's rock solid. Look at that. It ain't going nowhere. And it's the original hardware that came with it. I got some nylon nuts here. Nylon lock nuts that came with it. 10 millimeter. And you probably can't see it, but it's a nylon lock nut and washer. It's just basic stuff. It's nothing complicated. So I'm gonna put the other one on next. They gotta be 12 inches apart because I got a 36 gallon and that's where the little grooves go. So I got this over right here, so the edge of the Porta tank will be right here, and then this is over about 7 inches for the groove, and then 12 inches between. I'll put the other one about right in here. All right. Solid, baby, solid. This thing's solid. Look at that sucker, man. With the included hardware. I didn't have to go to Lowe's and get extra hardware. It's all the hardware is just fine. All the hardware that come with it, just fine. That sucker ain't going nowhere. All I gotta do is just, check it after each trip. Make sure the bolts, or make sure the nuts are tight. Right now, this thing is solid, baby, solid. It's a 4-inch bumper. Look at that, that thing's solid. Let's see what size, see this bumper here. That's 4 inches exactly, 4-inch bumper. Okay, now let's put this big old beast 36 gallon tank on there with the included straps. The included straps, those are just fine. They're good, solid. I already checked them out, and see what we got. Light, you can see the light, and that's beautiful. Like that. It's not touched the trailer. Oh yeah, baby. Look at that. Look at that. Look at that. Let's see. Once I get it strapped up in there, but right now it's not touching the trailer, and you can see the light, and it's not touching the hitch down there, so it's perfectly situated. Now I'm going to put the straps on and see what happens, see what kind of clearance we got once I get the straps on here. Alright, there it is. There it is. Pretty simple. Very simple. It's not touching the trailer. It's clearance from the bikes. It's not going to hit the bikes. Are not going to hit it. You can see the light. Okay, so now let's put the bike on there. Let's see what happens. I'm not going to strap it up, but here's the bike. There it is. That's great. That's great. Look at that. Oh yeah, very happy. Okay, so there we go. Okay, there it is. Solid. Solid. Just gotta check the screws. Rather check the nuts every once in a while. So good to go.